So this is the rear right hand side shocker. So this one is leaking badly. You can see here all around the leaking oil. So I'm going to replace the shocker. So after that we have to remove the two bolts. The one is here bottom and the other one is top here. So you can see the both of bolts. First I remove the bottom one, like 14 mil. We have to undo the bottom bolt. See, you can see that shocker completely worn. So this is a worn shocker. You can see here nothing in shock absorber, like a shock absorber. So you can see in here it's completely worn. I got the new shocker. This is the new one. So you can see the difference. Can't press hard like that, but this one is worn very bad. So here I first install the top bolt. Put the shocker in, the 14 mil bolt back in, and the tightening like a hand tight. Good. Then after we tied for the top bolt, so finally we installed the rear right hand shocker. So you can see we installed the top bolt and we got the top bottom bolt. So it's very easy job. So thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one. Thanks.